Alright, today we will be working on a Samsung Galaxy Watch 3, and we will be replacing the back housing here, the back cover. The HR sensor isn't working, so we're just going to replace the entire back cover. So to get started with that, we're going to take a cotton swab and some alcohol and just put it on the corners, just in case there's any grime next to these 4 screws, just to help us when we're unscrewing it. We're going to take our Y 2.0 and unscrew these 4 screws. Alright, now we're going to take off the back cover. So we're going to take our pry tool, go right in between, and I have a slight bend to my pry tool down because there's a gasket around this back cover. So this way, when you're putting it in, you're going to go underneath the gasket. There we go. I'm going to peel that off. Alright, we're going to disconnect it. The connection right there. That's the back cover. And the heart rate sensor's right there. And we also have a speaker right there. I'm going to take our replacement. Here's our replacement. And we're going to want to make sure that everything is clean along where the seal goes, just to make sure we have a proper seal and there's no gunk or junk that's sitting there that will allow any sort of water or sweat to get through there. So we're going to clean that up. You also want to make sure that your seal on this side will also be clean all the way around. Alright, now we're just going to make the connection to the board right here. There we go. Make sure it's sitting nicely. Now we're going to take the 4 screws and screw it all back in. Alright, and that's how you place the back cover on a Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. Thank you for watching.